Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Sea Ray boat dealer. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this beautiful and popular Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard model. Probably the best-selling Sea Ray that we build. This one's powered by a single white Verado 300 V8 from Mercury. It's got the sea deck on the swim platform. It's got trim tabs, underwater lights. We'll go do a little side profile. It's in the gorgeous Sea Ray blue hull color. Stainless steel anchor with windlass. Look how pretty this boat is. Water sports tower with lots of nice coverage. There's a wakeboard attachment on there. It has the gelcoat match inserts on the arch. I see it's got fender holders here as well. Great entertaining area back here. It's a nice lounge. You have a ski tow here. You have a 12-volt outlet, freshwater shower, stereo controls. How much coverage this Bimini gives you? It's huge. Awesome seating. You don't have to add any filler cushions anywhere to convert these to a lounge up here. You have a table that mounts back here. Also a table that mounts up forward. Gorgeous digital dash, all fly-by-wire controls. That's the 12-inch Simrad. Gives you everything you need: depth, latitude, longitude, all your engine information. It's got the upgraded Fusion stereo system. It's really nice for the ladies and the kids, because you have a real head with a real vacuum flush toilet and sink in there. This glove box here for your cell phone or wallets. Look how wide the bow is on this boat. Stone interior is just phenomenal. Oh, you have another, actually have a freshwater spigot up here as well. Turn it around. Nice armrests. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Sea Ray boat dealer. Got a gorgeous showroom here. Come give us a call or swing by today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.